My name is Ryan Lucas, and I work for Snap-on Industrial. And today I'm here to present the 2016 Snap-on I-CAR grant winner. Snap-on and I-CAR partnered together to help promote technical education. With I-CAR, it is the collision departments around America. The support we offer is to help the students in the schools keep producing the quality students that the industry needs. This year's winner was described to us as hardworking, a go-getter, someone who took the initiative in projects. All these are characteristics of someone that the industry values deeply. These are characteristics that make for a successful collision tech, a successful employee in any industry in the world. With this set, this helps give this student a good foundation to start their career and hopefully go on to great things. And maybe one day, who knows, this student may be teaching a class just like this somewhere else in the country. It's that type of legacy that Snap-on wants to promote. So without any further ado, this year's 2016 I-CAR Snap-on grant winner, Nick Herman. Here's the keys to the Random Boxer Board.
Thank you.
Open it up, show us what's in here.
Yeah, you gotta grab the safety lock.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Keychain. Keep going. What'd you say? It goes to the left? Yep. Okay.
Have you done any more? There's your full sets.
Better than Christmas.
And
It
no
is
wrapping
better
paper.
than Christmas, yeah. Screwdrivers. That comes with heck yeah. 3/8.
Ratchets, extensions, wrench set.
No, you didn't take half of it for yourself, did you?
Just a little bit.
Here, Chubby,
And all of that comes with a lifetime warranty that can be taken care of by any Snap-on associate worldwide.
Awesome. I don't have one.
Now you do?
Yeah. And the board. Yeah. That's awesome.
Cool, man.
Congratulations, you deserve it.
Congratulations.
Put it to good use.